Hi everyone. We are going to explore two powerful concepts that shape how entrepreneurs think and act. First one is effectuation, second one is growth versus fixed mindset. The mental attitude that can either limit or unlock your potential. So now we will discuss about what is effectuation. Effectuation is a way of thinking and making decisions in uncertain situations, like starting a business. It was introduced by Dr. Saras Saraswati after studying how successfully entrepreneurs actually make decisions. The key idea: entrepreneurs do not always start with a clear goal and a plan. Instead, they start with what they already have and figure things out along the way. To understand effectuation better, let's compare it with traditional thinking, what we call cautions. Causation says, I want to build a $1 million company. What do I need to get there? Effectuation says, here, what I have. What can I build it with? In other words, causation starts with a specific goal. Effectuation starts with valuable means. Both approaches can work, but in uncertain environments, effectuation is often more practical. In effectuation, we will discuss about five principles. First one is bird in hand principle. It means starts with what you have, your skills, network, and resources. Second one is affordable loss principle. Means focus on what you can afford to lose, not how much you hope to gain. Third one, crazy quilt principle. It means build partnerships with people who are willing to commit early. Fourth one, lemonade principle. Embrace surprises and turn setbacks into opportunities. Fifth one, pilot in the plane principle. It means the future isn't something you will predict, it's something you create. These principles helps entrepreneurs act boldly even without perfect information. We will understand a real life example in effectuation in action. Let's say you want to start a food business. Causation thinking says, I will raise 1 lakh rupee, open a big restaurant, and create a fancy menu. Effectuation says, I know how to cook. I have a friend with a food truck, and I know a crowd at the weekend market. Let's start there. You use what you have, take affordable steps, and adapt as you go. Why effectuation matters? Most startups operate in uncertainty. You do not have all the answers or all the money. Effectuation empowers you to start now with what you have instead of waiting for the perfect time or resources. It's how many successful entrepreneurs actually begin. After that, we will discuss about growth mindset versus fixed mindset. These concepts were introduced by Coral Dweck. A growth mindset believes that abilities can be developed through effort and learning. I can improve with practice. A fixed mindset believes that abilities, intelligences, and talent are static. I am either good at this or I am not. This is difference in thinking changes how we face challenges, learn from failure, and pursue our goals. And how it affects entrepreneurs. In entrepreneurship, mindset is different. A fixed mindset says, I failed. I am not cut out for business. I don't know how to do this. So I will quit. Others are better than me. Why bother? A growth mindset says, I failed. What can I learn? I don't know this yet, but I can learn. They are ahead. What can I do to improve? Growth oriented entrepreneurs are more resilient, curious, and open to feedback. All essential traits for success. Building a growth mindset. Here are some ways to develop growth mindset. Replace I can't with I can't yet. View failure as feedback, not a verdict. Celebrate effort and progress, not just results. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Reflect regularly. Why did I try? What worked? What didn't? What next? Remember, your mindset is like a muscle. The more you the more you use it, the stronger it gets. And after that we will discuss bring it all together. Let's connect the dots. Effectuation teaches you to work with what you have and more forward even in uncertainty. A growth mindset helps you stay motivated, learn from failure, and keep improving. Together, these tools build a strong foundation for entrepreneur success. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be willing to start, learn, and adapt. Let's talk about one real life example. He didn't start Tesla or SPACs with everything figured out. He took small steps, surrounded himself with smart people, and kept learning. He had both an effectual approach and a growth mindset. It is not about being a genius, it's about being willing to learn and take action. In summary, we will discuss about the effectuation help you start with what you have and build as you go. It focuses on action, partnership, and flexibility. A growth mindset sees failure as an opportunity to improve. Both are essential for navigating uncertainty in entrepreneurship. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't those with the best ideas. They are the ones who adapt, learn, and persist. Final thoughts. So, whether you are just starting out or already on your journey, remember you don't have to wait until you are ready. You don't need all the answers upfront. Start with what you have, embrace learning, and keep moving. Entrepreneurship is less about prediction and more about creation. It's not what you are, it's who you are becoming.